Hi YouTube. So today I wanted to share with you a few things. I haven't really been collecting a whole lot this month. I've been taking a couple of breaks. I know it took me a while to upload my last video of Chuck's Comics summer sale. It was probably, that sale was in June and I didn't upload it till the end of July. So, but I'm back and I wanted to share with you, we're gonna do some Pokemon card pack openings. I have a Sofubi from Bubble Wrap website. It's like Bubble Wrap something. So they sell Sofubi. They're California based. They get all their stuff from Japan. They're having a summer sale. So I have a Sofubi toy to share. And also a couple of blind boxes to open. Hello Kitty finger puppets, I think is what they are. So we'll be using the blind goggles. Another thing I was going to share with you, after the Captain Chuck comic book haul, I went back because they had a 4th of July 25% off on back issues. So I had to go back and get the rest of the Nausicaa. I'm pretty sure this is the one that I had gotten at the previous sale. And then I also got these. Oh my gosh, the lighting's so bad in here. I'll try to use this to my advantage. The sun, I mean. But yes, Hayao Miyazaki, Nausicaa, Valley of the Wind, back issues. I kept thinking I could have gotten these probably during the first sale, but I wasn't looking through every single item that they had, and then when I went back, they still had these, luckily. Also, I had gotten Pokemon pack, also from Chuck's, and this is gonna come with 2 packs. This is about $16 a piece, which I realized that this costs the same price as the Pokemon packs that I were buying at the liquor store, and they only came with 1. So I'm happy to know that Chuck sells 2 for about the same price, even though they're not the same. I don't think they're the same generation, but it's okay. Here's my Sofubi. It's Hedora from Godzilla, and it comes with a chimney. I haven't taken him out of the bag. I don't know, I'm just kind of nervous too. I just want to keep him in the bag for now until I find a good spot for him in my house. I also found a couple of Pokemon packs at my local Royal Farms that I'm very interested in. They were both like, this says it comes with 5 holo and this one's 10 cards. They're both dated 2007. Not really sure what to expect out of these. I know that they each cost $6. Even if you get like a 5 pack, it's still 6. The 10 pack is also 6. So I guess we'll start with that. We'll start with the Pokemon cards, and then I'll do these are the Hello Kitty. It says Finders Keepers. I don't know if they're finger puppets or they're just little miniature figures, but we'll figure that out. So I'm gonna start with the Chuck's comic Pokemon pack. Well, the packs I got at Chuck's. I did not bring my scissors today. Oh. I didn't know it came with this. It shows you the 2 Pokemons, the Mew stick and the Meganium. And then it shows you their height and weight. And the number in the Pokédex from their region. Also, it came with a sticker. I had no idea this actually, it comes with all this. And these are the Mega Evolution Chaos Rising and Perfect Order from the Mega Evolution packs. Wow, that's pretty cool. Is that like Grid Ninja upside down? All right. I'm gonna start with the Perfect Order. I don't need that. All right. And we got the Staryu, Fletchling, Fletchender. Is that Klefki? Wow. All right. Egglish. Oh, it's a trainer. Diggersby. What was that? What was that? Oh, Vanellope? Is that like a hollow? Clefairy! Oh shit! Oh shit! I just freaked out. Oh, I just freaked out again. Clefairy! Oh, that's such a beautiful card! I really want to touch it. Yeah, I didn't pull the energies from the back, but that's okay. I love it! I have never seen one like that. This is amazing. All right, that's the first pack. That was a pretty good one. Now we get Chaos Rising. All right, now pull these energies. Oh, what did I do? I ruined it. That's okay. We got the basic energies here. I don't know what I was thinking. We got Vulpix. Oh, Sliggoo. Chespin. Mareep. Oh, I really want a shiny. I wish. Philippe. Another trainer. Gully's Pod. That's a classic. It's actually one of my favorite ones to use in Pokemon Go, especially for the first, like, I don't know, 30 levels. Claydol. Stunky. Oh, is that like a reverse hollow? Megtang. What? What the heck? I guess I don't know how I pulled that one first though, but yeah, I remember pulling this out first. Crobat. What the heck? What are these beautiful cards? I am in love. Oh, where is it? Back. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's wonderful. Very happy about that pull. They've just been getting better and better, you know? 5 hollow. 10 cards. It says 2007. I don't know which one to go with first. I guess I'll just do the 5 hollow first. I feel like I shouldn't do that first, but I am. Because these can be any random hollow cards, I think. Huh. Yeah, some of these, they're random dates. 2020, 2023, 24, whatever. Shanks. Diglett. Internatus. Sweet. Crocodile. Tartanator. Those are the 5. So I got the I got a reverse hollow earlier then. Interesting. Now for the 10. I was kind of hoping because it said 2007 that meant that I was gonna get cards from 2007. Oh well. Cards, and it says includes 2 hollows. It's just so weird when they come out of the box. I'm like, or the pack. I'm like, where do I start? Simplor, Semiport, Sobble. Gosh, what is happening? Gonna turn these around. I'm not really impressed here. Dual blade. Another one. Like, here's the hollow. Kilowattrel. That's a newer one. Ribombee. Pikachu. C-Dot. And oh, I thought there was 2 hollows in here. Oh, there are, right? Oh, I didn't love that one. That's okay. All right. Now, time for our blind unboxing. And I can't see anything in these. Remember that. And I haven't done one of these in a little while. Oh my goodness. 2 Hello Kitty blind boxes. Blind unboxings. I think this was a little, that was a little heavier. This one's lighter. I'm gonna go with the lighter one first. Can't see anything. I don't even know how to open these. And I know the chocolate's gonna be melted because I set this in my car for a while. It does come with chocolate. What is it? What is it? It's my Melody? Oh, I didn't even hold up to the camera very good. I'm like so blinded. It's a little Melody figure. Oh, I love her. Oh, I see the little detail. It's not like super detailed, but I can see like little carvings. And that was cute. All right, we have one more. This one's the heavier box with the melted chocolate. Oh, it's so soft. Cause it's Pomporin. I can't even pronounce his name. Pompurin. I like him a lot. I was kind of hoping for Hello Kitty, but it's okay. Well, thanks for tuning in, guys. Have a good day. Catch you next time. And this is a chocolate it comes with, if anybody wants to know, but I'm definitely not going to eat it because... Anyway, have a good one. Bye.